Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I've got the grease from 1 pound of bacon. Let's go ahead and make some grease lamps this morning. They're very easy to make. You can use anything for the container. People usually use empty soda cans. So many things you can use for a wick. I have used yucca fiber and cotton balls. Cotton fibers are the best for wicks, but I want to try this jute fiber for a wick today. And then we'll use the container made out of this bamboo. Of course, you would want green bamboo. So this dried out bamboo is going to get a little bit charred. And of course, it might catch on fire, but I haven't had them catch on fire. I've had them get very charred. Let me show you how easy this is. This is it. And we can use this chute right here, and we'll use this chute right here as a little handle. Let me ease some of these edges here. This is going to be the reservoir, and this will be the base. We'll scrape the outside. I think that looks better. And let me go ahead and straighten out this little branch for a hand. All right. Get about, I don't know, I'm going to try about 3 feet of jute. And we'll reverse wrap it. And then we'll reverse wrap that 2-ply and turn it into 4-ply. All right. Now, we'll twist it the opposite way. Instead of twisting it like this and bringing it over this way, now we'll twist it this way and bring it over the other way. All right, now I'm just going to make a loose knot in the bottom. And make it to where it will, you know, this will be a freestanding wick. We can't have it drooping over to the side and leaning up against the sides. So this will provide a little support. Make a little stand for it. And it'll sit down inside there like this. Like that, if you can see it. Let's go ahead and pack it with grease now. Now, many times you can take a piece of tulip poplar. Now this has already got a break started, so we can use that. I'm going to save that bark. You can use that for a spatula, but many times you can take just the edge of it, just catch the edge and break off a little spatula like that. All right, I want to put some grease down on the bottom first. Press the wick into that. Then finish filling it up. And we'll use the big lighter to fire it up. Make this wick stick up a little bit more. Try to stand in the way of the wind. All right, let's give that a chance to heat up and melt that grease. And we'll come back and take another look at it. Smells good. Let's see if we can get you a better backdrop. There goes that wood chipper. There's always a wood chipper in the neighborhood working it. I'll set you up on the table in the back of the house. We'll be a little bit farther away from it. We'll outlast that wood chipper. I want to come back out here in about an hour and show you what it looks like. Right now the oil is about an 1/8 inch from the top. We'll come out here in an hour. The wood chipper will probably be gone and we'll check on it and I'll show you. The oil's not going to be that low. There's hours worth of fuel right there in that grease lamp. This is 15 minutes later. So at 12 o'clock will be 1 hour. Let's go make some breakfast. Last night we had breakfast for supper, so these are some good leftovers. That's sausage gravy over some toast, tomatoes, bacon, scrambled eggs. And the grease lamp is still doing well. All right. It's been burning for an hour and a half now. And that fuel, bacon grease, that's melted down into oil. It's probably burned down about 3/8 of an inch. So that looks like a praying mantis that Tybie's playing with. Anyways, let me give you a 360-degree view. So you see, according to the which way the wind is blowing, that's the way it's going to wear down. This side here was worn down. When I got down here, the wick was closer to that side, so I readjusted the wick. But you can take a soda can, just cut it in half, and you won't have these issues. This is more of a disposable grease lamp, since it takes such a toll on the bamboo. I love these little lamps. You ought to give it a try. Get back with you and let me know how it worked out for you. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. And to extinguish it, we're just going to douse the wick.